With summer break far from sight, college students are busy hitting the books, but however, some students may be getting some help from prescription drugs. Those drugs that may have come from a friend or a classmate. News Channel 18's Brittany Tyner reports some college students are putting their health risks in exchange for higher grades. Brittany?
Yes, Stan, those prescription drugs are stimulant drugs prescribed to help attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or ADHD. Some college students are taking these stimulant drugs in order to stay focused while doing some homework or studying.
They're referred to as study drugs. They include Adderall, Ritalin, Vyvanse, and Concerta. And Dr. John Adams with Sigma Medical Group says there are serious health risks to taking them without being diagnosed with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder.
They raise your blood pressure, they raise your pulse, they can cause tremors, shaking.
Along with these side effects, Adams says so-called study drugs may not be good for studying anyway.
Actually, they can decrease your focus if you're an adult, because they don't work the same as they work for children.
Adams says he has patients who will come in to get diagnosed with ADHD in order to get prescribed to study drugs. He says he always looks at a patient's medical history.
Not many college students get attention deficit disorder during their college years. If they've had it in the past, it can certainly continue.
But study drugs aren't just abused for study purposes. One side effect of them can be the loss of appetite. Purdue student Andrea Fumpkin says she has heard what students are doing to utilize this side effect.
I've also heard people taking it to lose weight too.
Fumpkin isn't the only Purdue student who is aware of classmates and acquaintances taking study drugs. Andrew Martin says he is aware of stimulant drug use as well.
I've heard it's like a trend that's coming up now that, I don't know, I guess it's supposed to make you more focused.
Both Fumpkin and Martin say they have never used study drugs.
Dr. Adams is asking students to stop and think about the health risks before they try using any stimulant drug. Brittany Tyner, News Channel 18.